Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a luxurious product that promises to pamper your color-treated hair like royalty. Oribe Conditioner for beautiful color. This is a liquid-form, cruelty-free conditioner specifically designed for color-treated hair, with the goal of extending your dye job's vibrancy while delivering some much-needed care to dry and damaged strands. So what's inside this elegant bottle? Oribe is known for its high-performance formulas, and this one doesn't hold back. It's packed with a proprietary complex aimed at preserving hair color by shielding against oxidative stress and UV fading. There's also a dose of bioflavonoids, antioxidants that help retain color, and baobab tree extract, which hydrates and softens the hair without weighing it down. From a formulation standpoint, it hits the marks. No parabens or sulfates, and a well-thought-out blend of conditioning agents and protectants that align with what today's conscious, color-loving consumers expect. Now, let's talk about real-world use. I tested this over the course of a couple of weeks, integrating it into my regular wash routine, 2 to 3 times a week, after a fresh Salon color. The first thing you notice? The scent. Oribe's signature fragrance is Salon level, rich, sophisticated, and subtly lingering throughout the day, which made every wash feel like a treat. The texture is creamy but lightweight, spreading evenly through the hair without needing a massive amount of product. It rinses clean, and I was impressed by how smooth and manageable my hair felt afterwards. No greasy residue, no dullness, just soft, vibrant color that seemed to hold better between washes. I even put it to the test after heat styling and long sun exposure, and I noticed far less color fade than I normally would over the same time period. The conditioner helped tame frizz, reduce tangling, and gave my hair a glossy, healthy look that wasn't just surface level. But let's keep it real. There are pros and cons. On the plus side, it delivers on its promise. Excellent hydration, color protection, and a high-end experience from start to finish. The ingredients list is thoughtful and avoids harsh chemicals, which I appreciate deeply as someone mindful of scalp health and long-term hair integrity. However, the price point is a clear con. This is a premium product, and it's definitely not for every budget. Also, while it performs beautifully on dry and color-treated hair, if your hair leans toward fine or oily, you might find it a bit too rich, especially with frequent use. Moderation is key here. Now, is the price worth it? Honestly, if you've invested in a high-end color treatment, Oribe acts like insurance for that investment. The performance, the fragrance, the longevity of color retention, it all adds up. You're not just paying for a name, you're paying for a formula that works and a sensorial experience that feels indulgent every time. If you're weighing this against alternatives, something like Pureology's Hydrate Conditioner might come to mind. It's more affordable and also color-safe with plant-based ingredients. However, Pureology doesn't quite deliver the same luxurious finish or lingering scent profile. So it's a trade-off. Oribe wins on sophistication and performance, while others might win on accessibility. Build quality and packaging, sleek, sturdy, and exactly what you'd expect from a luxury line. The bottle design is user-friendly and elegant, definitely a display-worthy addition to your shower shelf. In terms of longevity, I found that one bottle lasted longer than expected due to the concentrated nature of the formula. A little really does go a long way. Is this review helping you out? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Now, as for customer support, I haven't had to reach out directly, but Oribe has a solid reputation in the industry for premium service and fast resolutions. Many salon pros I've spoken with trust them, and that kind of industry respect doesn't come easily. To wrap this up, Oribe Conditioner for beautiful color is a top-tier pick for those serious about protecting their color investment. It's luxurious, effective, and clearly crafted with intention. If you want to stretch the life of your color while treating your hair to a truly high-end experience, this conditioner checks all the boxes. It might not be budget-friendly, but for the right user, it's absolutely worth it. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. And if you've tried Oribe before, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.